Hi! In front of me is Oppo A78 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can set up app lock on this device. You need to begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Privacy section. Then click on Privacy at the top and click on App Lock. Following that, click on this switcher next to App Lock feature. Then tap on Settings in the pop-up to create privacy password. You can use a different password type and click on the best one for you, in my case, pattern. Now create it and repeat it in order to confirm it. Over here, set up your recovery email, just in case, and tap on Confirm. Then answer this security question. If you don't like it, click on it and tap on one of those. If you don't like any of them, you can also click on the question. Tap on Custom Question at the bottom and create your own. Save it by choosing Confirm and remember to answer it correctly below. Finally, click on this check mark at the top right corner. Then click on the switches next to apps that you wish to lock, like Amazon Shopping. So now when I go back and try to access Amazon app, I can see that pattern is now required. If you wish to disable app lock from your app, go into the same settings, tap on app lock, enter your privacy password, and click on the same No Blue switcher. If you want to disable app lock completely though, tap on app lock, enter it, and tap on this switcher next to app lock feature at the top. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!